Enid, we've got a classic rib roof that has been beat on the rib so bad it's going to leak. That's the word from Central Texas Metal Roofing and engineering firms, is that also that the paint damage, the paint has been knocked off these roofs, but the gap, if you'll look at that overlap, everywhere you can see that line now is a potential leak during a heavy wind. Okay. Right there, you can get capillary action with wind pushing the water under those panels. Here we can see when you have a hit on a rib, creates this void, gives you just all kind of ways. There's an open spot. This roof is totaled, and we need the insurance guys to realize that. It was a devastating storm, and it's not just cosmetic damage, it's affected the performance of the roof. All the all penetrations, all places for water to come in. The seam has been compromised.